lovely audience. It's Anchor Reena. You're watching Expo Media English. Today I'm here to cover Indian Machinery Tools, which is co-located by FacTech, which is Factory Equipment Expo. And today we are going to explore about the different industries of machines, tools and equipments. I'm sure you're excited to know about it. If you wanted to watch it, please subscribe us, like us and share to your loved ones. So hi everyone, this is side Reena and right now I'm with Mr. Gautam. He's the director of the UFlow. So I just wanted to know from you what exactly the UFlow is all about and
So
which kinds of...
UFlow is a Make in India company. We are at Rajkot. Our headquarters are at Rajkot. We are primarily a manufacturing company of engineering products.
Okay.
Our line is pneumatics. Any machine which runs on pneumatic, they have to use our valves and automation products.
Okay.
My workforce is 500 plus right now, and we are increasing at a very fast pace.
Okay.
And we are helping all the industrial giants to use our products and better their machining capacities and their process valves.
That's great. So who are your target audience and any brand recommendation you want to give?
Brand recommendation is only UFlow. Use only UFlow.
Okay.
Our partners are companies like Maruti, Escorts, EIL, L&T, BHEL, all the small RO plant manufacturers. Everybody in the industry will use the automation products. So anything you want to automate the processes, you have to use a solenoid valve.
Okay.
So you have to come to UFlow.
Okay.
Huh.
So there are lots of young entrepreneurs are also here in the market and they wanted to explore the world. Can you please give any suggestions or tips for them? What exactly they are supposed
We are
to do?
big exporters. We are exporting to US. We regularly part in the Hanover Messe fairs in Germany. And we are doing lots and lots of exports. And yes, my only suggestion is for India to export. Rather than importing, we should export. We are India, we are number one. And you saw what happened last night.
Exactly.
So we are very proud of our Indian army also. And I want all the Indians to work hard and export to all over the world. We
That's
have the
great.
power.
Okay. So now I want to explore your booth. So can we please?
So this valve is for irrigation.
Okay.
All the farms, the pipelines are there spread across the farms. So we put these valves, they stop the lines automatically. Whenever I need water, I press a button, they stop, they start. So it's called for drip irrigation. These are direct acting valves. These are flame proof series.
Okay.
You know, where hazardous areas are required. You know, all the gas installations in India, they use the flame proof series. These are all actuators and cylinders. These are only for automation. These are the direct acting solenoid valves required for any machinery. These are the flame proof series required in any gas installations, any hazardous area where electricity should not be a danger for the product. So we put a flame proof coil. Any kind of flame will not spoil the entire equipment because electricity is being used inside.
Basically, these are solenoid valves which helps to control the flow of a fluid.
Okay.
These are the actuators and pneumatic cylinders. For heavy load, we need to use the cylinders to transport the material from one end to another end. So we use the pneumatic cylinders. These are the valves, the directional valves, the PU fittings. These are my process valves. Any line we need to stop and on, we need to use these.
This is FRL, this is pulsate valve. We have lots of varieties which helps in every media and application.
And our USP is Make in India and Make India Proud. That is my only USP. So we are not importing anything from anywhere.
Oh, that's great. Thank you so much, sir, for interacting with Expo Media English. Thanks a lot.
Pleasure.